Good evening, guys and girls. This is Tanay from Reliance Real Estate in Werribee, and today I'm bringing you the weekly market wrap of what happened in the marketplace for Wyndham Vale and Manor Lakes. Guys, this is one of the best week we had ever had this year, because as compared to what's happening outside in the environment, what's happening in the economy in Victoria, we're going through one of the toughest times of the year, where the COVID numbers have increased to the peak at the moment, and it's stage 3. We might go on stage 4 as well. There are restrictions in real estate. We cannot conduct open homes, but we are doing private viewings. But the good news is that we did private viewings for 30 groups as private viewings for 15 properties. And what happened is they were all serious buyers. We listed 2 properties this week, which made a total of 11 listings for this month. So the new listings we had is number 19 King Lake Drive, 3-bedroom house, 512 square meter block. Perfect for investment or perfect from first home buyer. It's a west facing property. We're price guide looking up for 500 to 520 around that mark. We will be putting up on the market next week, but private viewings are available. And the next listing we had at 33 Holyoke Parade. Again, it's perfect for first home buyer or investment. 550 plus what we're looking at. 3-bedroom plus study as well. It's a north facing property. In terms of sales, I must say it's one of the best weeks. Today we sold 3 properties. Number 18 Truffle Crescent, number 11 Phillip Drive, and on Abatement Crescent. And this week, in total of, we have 4 properties which went under offer, including 2 by 20 Leo Avenue and a block of land which is number 4 Muscattle Street. I must tell one thing, that the buyers which are coming out there, we didn't expect it that this week would go this good, and this month will go one of the best months of real estate for this year for us, for our team in Wyndham Vale and Manor Lakes. But what we actually found out, that the buyers which are coming on the market, they are actually very serious buyers. They got their pre-approval, they done their homework, and they know that the rent money is the dead money. Most of them are actually renting in CBD, in Docklands. As I said in my previous market wraps as well, the demographic is more southern part of India. There's more South Indian people living in Wyndham Vale, Manor Lakes, and they're looking to buy. They all belong for IT backgrounds. Household income is very good. They're moving from Docklands to Manor Lakes, Wyndham Vale, and they have done their pre-approval. The buyers are very serious. As long as the property is priced right, it's perfectly located, and it's presented well, this is sold. And these people take the risk. They come out, they make the decision based upon their life, but not based upon the market. Guys, I must tell you one more thing, that this is one of the stories I want to share. This incident happened in the marketplace, and what we learned out is that how these sales happen is we understand the needs of the buyer. We ask various questions, what type of property they are looking at. It's not just based upon the budget, because we got a financial a broker on the spot with us from Funding Force. His name is Praveen. He's right now watching this wrap as well. And one of the brokers, I would say, that who's proactive, available 11 p.m., 10 p.m., whenever we need it, help us securing these deals. He guide us like whether the buyer can afford this property or not, or whether a little bit more jump he can go or not. But after analyzing the needs of the buyer, the facing is an important thing, because we don't show the property to a buyer unless it doesn't meet up their facing criteria. Because one of the things which is Vastu, which is equivalent to Feng Shui in Chinese, is Indian is Vastu, as more demographic is Indian buyers in my farming area at the moment. They look up more for north or east facing. But another thing what I would like to say is that apart from pricing, presentation, it's the way you handle the buyer, and the way we handle and negotiate with the buyer is more a relationship thing. We develop a better relationship than any other competition there, which help us to negotiate better with the people. And it's more honest and transparent dealings with all these buyers, because there's something happened in the marketplace, and a couple of buyers came to me and they said that your dealings are very transparent, because they blocked up a few of the agents' number outside, because they were pushing 11 p.m. at night to them, asking for more and more offer, whereby we need to understand that this is a lockdown period. Everyone going from mental toughness, mental let's say situations at the moment, and we can't message them at 11 p.m. at night asking for more and more offers, because buyers understand there are less buyers on the market, but whatever the buyers are there, they're very serious buyers. So it's really important. So if you're a vendor out there and you know you're thinking to sell your property in next 6 months, or you want to know whether it's the right time to sell the property or not, you have that, let's say, devastated mind that maybe there might be a plunge coming up in the property market as per what the economists are saying, or RP CoreLogic RP data is saying. Please consult us. Please give one of our team member a call, and we work 7 days a week, and we guide you whether this is the right time or not. If you are a buyer who is looking up for a property in Wyndham Vale or Manor Lakes, doesn't matter it's for investment, doesn't matter it's for first home or it's your second home, or you want to build a block of land, please give one of our team members a call. We help you finding the right property. We help the vendors to sell on the right price. We guide them whether this is the right time or they should wait for next 1 year. Guys, I would say that enjoy rest of your evening. I'll post more results next week. This is one of the best month for the sales. I will not reveal the numbers now, but I must say this is one more thing I would like to say, that the challenges and adversity, you know, they actually teach us to know who we are. And I must say that the storms hits, you know, they hit us on our weakness, and this unlocks our strengths. We all are in this COVID situation together. We will be out of this together as well. If anyone needs any kind of help, give us a call. We are available. Any elderly parents outside who's there, who cannot make it to us buying essentials early in the morning, or you know, struggling to go out, give one of our team members. The cost is on us. We'll come to you and we'll deliver that. Till then, stay safe, stay home, and enjoy the rest of your evening. Thank you.